I gave a commitment last Wednesday to the people that we'd be here for weeks rather than months, but we wouldn't leave until it was finished. At that stage, I couldn't believe we could turn it around in less than a week, which is what they've done. 6 days on, we've turned an earthquake zone into a very polished surfaced tarmac highway, which has been marked. They've even marked the white lines in the car park.
We've managed to transform the site, I think it's safe to say. We've had up to 30 guys here over the weekend. We cleared everything away. We reconstructed the road. We've put down about 500 tonnes of tarmac onto the new road. We've managed to get access back to the car park. So I think I'm really proud of everyone that's done it, and I think everybody's really proud of themselves.
We're not finished yet. There's a few little peripheral bits we'll be doing this week. They've got to take a tree down, which is a dangerous tree. It's overhanging the car park. Once that's gone, we can open up the top part of their car park, and then we'll be taking the lights away. So hopefully by the end of the week, the lights will be gone, and this will be just a normal two-way road. And then we're coming back in November. In November, we're going to do some further work in the association with the Environment Agency on the seawall, and we're going to resurface the road across the seafront.